Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Team Officer channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will take you how to make the breaking news inside Filmora X. So as you know that it is very simple way to do that because Filmora X is no need more effects or no need more anything special to plug in with that. And you can even add the breaking news without using any other style effects or without using any plugin to have. So it is a simple of using. So don't waste the time. The first one is you need to see on the left hand side here when you start up this software, the Filmora X software, you will see something that look like this. It's called simple color here. So now I'm gonna click on that and you will see all the colors. So now I'm gonna use the green screen because this green screen is the background. So to make it easy to use with other videos or other news, so you choose to do this. So go ahead and click and drag it to the timeline like this. And now we have one green screen like this. And the next step is we're gonna add the rolling bars background, the rolling bar background text. So now I'm gonna choose one more color, is in orange. Okay, now after you choose the orange, you're gonna click on the screen like this, and you will something that can drag and drop like this. Okay, and now we have one color here, and now I'm gonna use some I'm gonna use if you want you can animate this bar also, but if you don't want, I don't know, but you can also even add the animation to this bar. And we're gonna add some more animation about this one, and I go to animation and choose this preset here, for example the popping up, the rollover, or anything just like this. So it look like it is popping up like this. And now we're gonna play for the previews what is it appearing like this. Okay, and now the final step is the text or the title that you wanted to add it to running just inside this one. So now we go to the title and then find the title here and choose one among of that. And now we're gonna double click on that to edit the text. So you can even say whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna use welcome to my UE team official channel. My UE is the most videos. And I'm gonna, the text should be longer enough to be running or rolling. Video tutorial for all over the world. Okay, like this, like this. The text should be longer to make it up running. So you can also even click on enter to make like this, to make sure what is the text like this. But if you click enter, you will see something that is appearing. So it should be used in the same line of the text. So don't try to click enter like this. And you can also change the font style. For example, I'm gonna use Arial. Arial, like this. Arial. Okay, now I'm gonna use area like this. Now we can see this is an area, and you can say change to time new romance if you want. For example, I'm gonna use this, and the size should be 60 or 62. It is depending on your bar here, so make it to fit the bar of your screen here, and drag it like this. Drag it to be like this. Sorry. Okay, this one here. And you can use the arrow key to move it like this. And the other step is we're gonna click on add one here. Just make sure that you are choosing in the title timeline, and make sure that you click on the advance. And then thing that we're gonna do, we should add this one to be more deeper or bigger. So you're gonna find, you can add the text border if you want like this, and you can choose the color to same to the text to be make it like this also, but it look like it is blur. And you can change the border text like this to be clear, and also at the shadow to make the most text is appearing very high, is appearing like this. And the next step is we're gonna add one more shape. Now I'm gonna use this one on the top here and select one of among them, and this one we're gonna add the title, or we can say it is a breaking news. Now I'm gonna type in breaking news. Okay, breaking news, just like this, and we're gonna drag it to this place, this one place here. Sorry. So now we're gonna drag it to this place, and if you are scrolling more down, you will see the place that you can change the shape field here. So you can change to what color, whatever you want. So this is my default setting color, and the shape text also, and here's the shape border, and you can even change the shape text also. So make sure you have chosen like this, and you will see something that's completely like this. And after that, you click on the animation here, and now we're gonna choose the text that you want to roll to the left. So click on the text here, the text that you want to be rolled like this. Now we're gonna see in Filmora X, you will see the left roll like this. So now we're gonna click on that. Okay, you will see something that the text is running like this, and then click on OK. And now we're gonna click on home to be starting from the front page, and you can also even delete this effect also. Right click on that, and you will see a place that delete keyframe or clear all keyframe if you want. And now we're gonna play for the preview is what something is happening now. Okay, it looks like it is running very fast, right? But don't worry about it, that if you want them to be more slower, it should be, you need to drag this to be like this, to be longer, so it can be running slowly, just like this. And the background, it should be to the same. And you can also to fix that to remove the part. Now I'm going to click OK first. Remove the part front part of this one, because after this appearing, after the yellow screen appearing, after the yellow screen appearing, it should be appear the text after. So now we're gonna see more again. So now that this one is appearing first, and then the text is appearing later. So this is the way that we can do that. And now we're gonna add to the ending point is to the same to the background and the text. So now we're gonna start it again, and now everything is working very good now. Now you can see it. Okay. And this one, if you want to be animate, you're gonna double click on the title. It means the same with the text. It is the same place with the text. So go ahead and click on the title like this and click on advanced, and you click on this one and you start to animate it. For example, I'm gonna use the first one of random here. So now we'll click on that, and you will see something that is randoming now. And here is the chroma key. You can drag it to the front page like this, and this one is also drag it to like this also. Sorry, I'm gonna click wrong. If you want this place to be running like this, so you can start thing from the first like this, right? So you can edit it by doing this one. And after you have been already done, you're gonna play one more time is what happening now. So now we're gonna see it. It is appearing like this, and everything is scrolling now. So this is the way that we're gonna see how you can make breaking news. So thank you for watching my video tutorial. I hope you can understand about it and how to do this.